Now let's start with our subject. First of all, what do you mean by microwave? Microwave means micro wavelength. A frequency is so high that your wavelength comes into a very smaller size. Smaller size, we say it as shorter wavelength. What is the application of this shorter wavelength? We will see to it very shortly. At the start, why did these frequencies comes into picture? Necessity is the mother of invention, people say. That way, during the World War, there was a requirement of radar, defense. Now, there's always argument between a microwave teacher and a radar teacher that who came first. Is it microwave or radar? If I would have been teaching radar, I would have said radar. Since I've been your microwave teacher, I would say it's a microwave frequency came first. Jokes apart, these frequencies were invented for the design and implementation of defense-related equipments. As a result, there were two sets of nomenclatures for these bands. The first set of bands over here. This first set of bands, as you see over here, is written as old bands. And the second set of bands has been written here as new bands. Prior to Second World War, it was old bands, and after that they are addressed as new bands. Irrespective of whichever bands they follow, it's still people tend to follow the old bands. How do we write the frequency bands? The frequency bands are in gigahertz. We start from writing from 0.5 up to 40 gigahertz. It's very simple to remember. We start from 0.5 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Can you see over here? It is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2. It's not exactly 12, 12.4. 12.4 to 18, 18 to 20, 20 to 26.5, 26.5 to 40 gigahertz. These are the different frequency bands. As you see over here from old bands, you have written something related to very high frequency L, S, C, C, X, X, K, KU, K and KA, KA. Now, there are certain questions asked like explain various frequency bands used and microwave frequencies and its applications. Now, how do I remember these bands? These are some of the queries that the students normally ask us. Now, I have a little funny clue for it. I am sure you're going to laugh on it. But remember, I always believe that when you teach something and it is related to some fun part, students tend to remember it in a better way. First, you write VHF, very high frequency. After that, this is LSSC. How do I remember? Last year of school is SSC. I know it is SSC. Please write one more C. I repeat, last year of school is SSC. Write one more C. In Roman letters, 10th standard is written as X. So you write one more X. So it becomes L, S, S, C, C, double X. And I'm sure you all have passed 10th standard. I have passed. I'm sure you also have passed. But there is one special relative who has passed this 10th standard. Who is she? She's our Maharashtrian relative, Kaku. See the way it is written. From down, it moves up. That is Kaku. So you have last year of school, written in Roman letter X, passed by our Maharashtrian relative Kaku. So if you want to forget also, you will not forget. The new bands are written as from A, B, C, D. Forget A and B. It starts from C, D, E, F, G, H, I, 3 jacks and 2 kings. If you love to play cards, then you never tend to forget the 3 jacks and of course the 2 kings. This is how the frequency bands are written. Let's move to the next. The characteristics. What's so special about these characteristics? Microwave has got a shorter wavelength. If it is a shorter wavelength, the penetrating depth is going to be very efficient. When we have a very high frequencies, the wavelength becomes shorter. As a result, it is possible for us to employ smaller size antenna because we have a better directivity. Better directivity means the beam width of the wave becomes narrow, and as a result, the waves can easily propagate from one place to another. Please note, line of sight communication is compulsory at microwave characteristics. Is one of the characteristics of microwave. The bandwidth required for the microwaves is always larger as that compared to the common low frequency radio waves.